And when I say good morning, I mean it. It is 5:30 here in Denver, 5:30 in the morning. I kind of took a nap last night, took a nap, woke up, couldn't go back to sleep, so I have been recipe hunting. So, I mean, as we all know, for the past year and a half, almost 2 years now, we have all been stuck inside the house. We've got a little bit more freedom now, but it's still, cases are on the rise again, unfortunately, and travel's just, it's happening, but not as quickly or as frequently as everyone is used to. So, this is something that, I mean, I've gone to Disney World, I've been to the Aulani Resort. This is something that I've had numerous times, and it's kind of like a tropical vacation in your mouth. It's delicious. It is probably not nutritious, but it's good. If you've been to Disney, you know what it is. It's called many different names. Most people know it by POG juice, POG, and that's for the 3 ingredients that are in it: passion fruit, orange juice, and guava juice. So we're gonna make this morning, and it will help give you that tropical island getaway feeling that you've been looking for. And you really don't even need a recipe for it. You're just going to have as much or as little as you want. Let me shake this up just a little bit. But for today's purposes, I'm going to use 4 cups of each. So 4 cups of passion fruit juice, 4 cups of orange juice, and I found guava nectar. I wasn't able to find guava juice, so we're going to use what we've got. This, like I said, is a delicious, it smells good, tropical feeling drink. They have different names for it at Disney, so some places you can go and they're calling it POG juice there. I've seen it called Stitch juice. They call it also jungle juice, though it's not the jungle juice I grew up on. Moonshine juice. Now, you can make it an adult beverage for other than breakfast. Disney has one of their bars where they add dark rum to it. You can also add sparkling wine, champagne, any of that will work. Just remember, moderation. Here's our beautiful guava nectar. Like I said, this may alter the taste a little bit, but we're still gonna get what we're looking for. And like I said, you can do this in any quantities you want. So if you want to make just a single serving, you can do a ½ cup of each, and that's perfect. Or you can do as much as you want. Like I said, I'm gonna make with 4 cups of each. So now we've got all 12 cups in there. So we're just going to stir it around. Basically all you need to do. Just make sure it's stirred well. And you kind of see the color there, but I'll be a little bit extra. I'm going to pour it in this fancy glass pitcher just so you can see the true color of it. Look at that. It smells delicious because it is delicious, and so you just take your glass with some ice in it, pour you some in there. You can add a orange slice and a little umbrella, and there you go. There is your perfect tropical morning getaway. It goes with anything and everything. You'll love it. I know you will. Perfect. Thanks everyone. I hope you have a great Saturday.